power awning, outside speakers, and one heck of a big window on the camping side. And then the awning does cover the outside kitchen. Please remember, folks, that the refrigerators on outside kitchens only run on electricity. They do not run on propane. Sorry about the dust. We had some renovations done on the lot. And then the other side. Now it does also have a 10 amp plug for a solar trickle charger, so it's pre-wired for solar. Now as we go inside, you're going to see that it has blackout shades. The Murphy bed is a side bed. That's how they keep the unit so short. It does have a closet. So that couch folds down and then you bring down the bed. That's how a Murphy bed works. That way during the day you have seating, and during the evening you have sleeping. And then you have two large cabinets on the dinette side of the coach. So pretty good storage. Also, there is storage underneath the dinette, which I do not show in this video. Then you got your bunk beds with storage underneath. And then going to the bathroom, you got a full-size shower. The toilet's in a chicken wing tested area. And then you have a little bit of storage under the bathroom sink. And I hit the cabinet with my head, sorry about that. A little medicine cabinet as well. The kitchen does have an electric propane refrigerator, 6 cubic foot, 1-piece sink, 2 burner stove for the stovetop, microwave, but there is no oven. Instead, they choose to use that area for storage, so you get more opportunities to put stuff together. A lot of the manufacturers will not put an oven inside a unit this small. This is SUV towable, so anything with a 4,500 to 5,500 pound tow capacity can tow this travel trailer no problem. And if you are enjoying this, I do have another video on another small travel trailer, and that's going to be in the top right hand corner. Happy camping, folks.